So this is a workflow I've built for a client, and that I have ended up using in my own shop. Basically, this is built in the inside Photoshop, one of the tools I mostly use for my design Etsy shop for the sublimation designs. But basically, every every designer, every digital designer that sells online, that sells on Etsy, have to create a way to create these what we call mockups, a way to display the image in the product, in the final product for the people to see, because what we are selling are basically the image, okay? We are selling like this only, okay? But people sorry, this the image, but people have to have a way to see it, like how it will end up, like in the Tumblr here, for example, okay? And these mockups is what we upload to Etsy or what we can upload to any other platform, because this workflow can be used Amazon, all platforms that we have to upload digital designs, digital mockups, for example, okay? um, like for example, in each listing we have to upload, we can upload a lot of image, okay, that could display the product in different ways for the user to see. But the challenge is that usually we do this manually. For example, Photoshop is one of the programs that allow you to create mockups. Like for example here, we have smart layers. If I delete, like this will be the original mockup, and we add our design here, and it will create a mockup. Then for example, for the main listing, we will paste it here, and the other four, okay, this is a bundle of four, and we do this process manually, okay? So what the workflow I have created, let me just delete it, is the way that automatically runs all these mockups at once. We only have to set, for example, how we want to display. So I want, for example, I set how I want to display this here and here, okay? And then the workflow will be always the same, and we'll always put the same designs in the same places. What I mean by that is this. So this is like for the four designs from that bundle, okay, for example. And then I use what we call Photoshop actions. Photoshop actions is a step in Photoshop that allow you to record a specific thing you do and recreate it that manually, automatically, sorry, with a click of the button. So what I've create is a way that this, with a click of a button, Photoshop is taking the designs I have in a specific folder, and see, is applying for me the designs in the specific place I have told it to do it. And this way I don't have to do this manually, and I can easily create lots of mockups. And I will also create like this, we can upload a video, and this automation, this workflow is not very well automation, this workflow will also create the video here. And now I will show you. Okay, now I will show you, like here where we have all the four designs. Now we have all the mockups that we create. Let me just show here. See, okay, basically you have apply the designs in the specific places I told them. You run and basically create alone all these designs, and you also create the video mockup we can use to upload this video, also creating this workflow. And since I also use Pinterest, I also create like this Pinterest image that I can automatically upload directly to Pinterest, because I'll told them where to put the designs I want. So this is a faster way to create design mockups that can be used in a different variety of ways for any digital designer online.